Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners with some Bitcoin updates. Let's start with Bitcoin Cash. See, it broke through the level we talked about, this 375 to 382 key cluster. This is why we don't get aggressive against rotation zone. See, went up to rotation zone, selling off again. Right now, holding at our trend line, which has been in place since the end of November. Next key level below that is essentially a breakout level. You'll see that around 1317 to 1309. We're going off the Gann level about 1305. Going to watch to see if we get some support there. If that is broken, the next major area is going to be where we have the rising 200 simple moving average coming in with another key Gann level around 1220. Let's check in on the daily for Bitcoin Cash. It's now trading right at the bottom of the rotation zone. Maybe I can zoom in a bit on that. It's not going to come through real well, but you can see here the rotation zone is flat. We haven't closed the day out yet, so it can still close in the rotation zone, but if we do close below the rotation zone, then we're watching for the bigger pullbacks, and we are being very conservative with Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin rallying very hard. Bitcoin Gold and Bitcoin Cash both selling off. It looks like people are rotating out of those into some of these other hot ones like IOTA, Monero, so that have also been moving, EOS. So that's where we stand. If we really break down major supports coming in at this major swing low from the 30th and which is a prior key support level right around this 1166 to 1151 if we have a bigger sell-off, just to leave you with those levels. Switching over to Bitcoin Gold, also trying to spike up through the rotation zone and then moving back down. You know, this is why if you are buying anything here, we look to take profits when we're against the rotation zone, somewhere in the rotation zone. So if we had a strong rally now, the first key level we'd be watching for is about this 273. The next level we'd be watching for is 283. Right now we're trading at the prior major swing low from November 30th and the prior breakout zone from back on the 21st. Breakout zone was resistance, 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 broke out through it. Then it became support. Now it became support. Now we're testing it as support. If we do get a close or an extended move below 251, next key thing we'll be watching is right around the 241 level, which is the rising 200 simple, and then the next level below there is 230, which is a prior support zone. Let's check in on this one on the daily chart also. So you see here on the daily chart how big that breakout zone was, and then where the next support, but now we're really below the rotation zone, which had held up until now. Be very patient with looking to add. This thing is now going against the rotation zone on the 4-hour, and it's below the rotation zone on the daily, so no need to be aggressive. Wait for good reversal patterns to show up. Finally, did a longer video earlier today on Bitcoin, so this is just a very quick update. Moving towards the levels, now trying to get this 13,146 area. And then we're watching that huge cluster area, 13,475 to 13,492. That is the next major target we can project right now. Beyond that, there's not much. If I had to choose another target, then I go with the round number. What if we do get through this 13,500, I'd choose the round number of 14,000 until we can get more accurate projections with the Gann levels. Again, if we do pull back right now, the first level support is going to come in about 12,550, and then major support is going to come in right now around 11,900 if we do pull back. That's what you should watch for. That's what we have for you with all the Bitcoin updates tonight. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and let us know what you'd like to hear from us. Talk to everyone later. Bye for now.